So hello and welcome to another update video on Ethereum. The price has now reached the first resistance level that we talked about for this wave 4 bounce, or in this bounce that we've been watching. $2,954. This is still a rather weak move to the upside so far for a wave 4. So I mean, don't get me wrong, the momentum looks interesting. The momentum is quite promising, and when the crypto market moves, it moves fast. Yeah, we know that. The bounce is no surprise. We were tracking it together already over the weekend, and it was expected to unfold as a possible wave 4 bounce from here. Different things aligned here. You know, the Fibonacci extensions at around $2,620 to $2,630. That was an ideal target. The wave count to the downside was full in this C wave, actually played out really well. And so we were watching already over the weekend for a bounce. Didn't really expect much over the weekend, and we didn't really get much, but we got something that looked a little bit like the start potentially of the wave 4 bounce. So we kept tracking it, and the resistance area, yeah, it's between 3,170 and 3,553. That would be the standard resistance area for such a wave 4. I gotta say, the 23.6 retracement is a little bit weak for a fourth wave, but still relevant. Now let us take a look at the smaller time frame for Ethereum, because we start to see here some price action that's interesting. And hold on, let me remove that. So this is it. And what does it mean? You know, we're going up. Well, yep, we're going up, and it's not necessarily a surprise. We were tracking this here together as an A, B, C structure in the A wave. Then I said to you, okay, let's see if from here a B wave pullback unfolds. And yep, it was a 3-wave move down in wave A, a move up in wave B, and a C wave to the downside. And it looks like a running flat. The move up looks impulsive, so this is likely the C wave of the A wave. Let me actually add also here the 23.6 retracement level. You see we reached it now, but there is no sign that Ethereum wants to stop. So I treat this as a C wave of the A wave. The next pullback afterwards could then be our B wave pullback, and the C wave afterwards could complete the fourth wave. This is basically what we're tracking, but we need to see how far it extends, because for circle wave 4, all of this is still rather weak. So for now, I still track higher prices. It would be ideal if the price could now reach the 100% extension. I'm not quite sure if the price will actually get to the 100% extension, because let's be honest, that is quite far away. But what is that level? Well, let me add that to the chart. We take the Fibonacci extension tool, we measure the length of the A wave, we go to the low of the B wave, and it is at $3,034. I mean, this would be the next logical Fibonacci extension, because what we compare here is the length of the A wave, and we compare that with the length of the C wave. But we've obviously reached resistance here. So we'll see if the bulls can drive the price a bit higher towards the 3,030 level, and then a pullback in wave B would likely be next. And if the pullback is corrective in nature, forms a 3-wave move down, holds a higher low, then it should set the stage for a C wave rally to complete wave 4. I'll keep you updated, of course, about this, but so far it's been, following the forecast quite well. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well. I leave a link in the comment section. Here you can find a lot of additional updates. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.